And now, the witch of the woods. Do not touch the maze or territory employees. Oh, they say maze here, and that sign says maze, not house. That's interesting. This resembles Busch Gardens Tampa's Witch of the Woods. Nobody around. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. How long does she hold that position?
Where are you going?
Oh, I didn't see that. Those growlers are the ones that get you. Oh, they got the tree again. Yeah. I always like this tree. Beans! That is cool. Oh, nice.
Don't be scared! Help me!
All right. Oh, there you go.
Thanks for watching the Vacationeers Podcast YouTube channel. Please subscribe if you enjoy our content and ring the bell to receive notifications when new videos are released. Please like our Facebook page, Vacationeers Theme Parks and More. And follow us on Instagram and Twitter at Vacationeers Podcast. If you'd like to enjoy more of our content, listen to our podcast, Vacationeers Theme Parks and More. It can be found on most streaming platforms. And lastly, I would like to thank everyone who has either subscribed or follow us on social media. Your support is greatly appreciated. Thank you, and keep making memories.